Hello, welcome back to my channel. Working online has always been a favorite of mine. I can work and earn money anywhere in the world. And there's a lot of online jobs that you can start right now. I have a video of some of the online jobs that you can start right away. And the link is in the description below. So the question is, what kind of online job or jobs are you willing to start? Well, can I make a suggestion? What about transcribing? So for those who don't know what transcribing is, it's a process of converting audio files into written format for businesses and other clients. So you just listen to podcasts, some lectures and various contents and then just type it out. It's as simple as that. Being a transcriptionist is one of the simplest ways to make money online. There's little to no requirements beyond typing speed, making it perfect for students, beginners, moms, and those who want to work ASAP. A good transcriptionist will average about $25 to $30 an hour. So follow along as I cover the best online transcription companies. Links to the sites are in the description below, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done that already for more videos like this. So let's get on with it. TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is rated as one of the best transcription websites to work for. All you need to begin is computer and a reliable internet connection. They pay much more than other general transcription job sites. TranscribeMe pays individuals that specialize in medical or legal backgrounds more as well. If that's an area of expertise, make sure you sign up today. Unlike some other platforms, it's also completely free to join. There's no registration fee and you decide your own hours. This means that you can transcribe a few minutes of audio per day or hours if you want to bring in higher income. TranscribeMe will put you through a quick exam to test your skills and ensure you're eligible to become a transcriber first. If you're accepted, you can look forward to plenty of work and regular payouts. Did you know that their top monthly earners net upwards to $2,200 per month? What could you do with that kind of money? Pay off rent stress-free? Go on more vacations? Next is CastingWords. They are one of the few companies that hire beginners for transcription work with limited requirements for experience, and they have a good payout schedule and will have copious amounts of work for you to do. You can sign up via email or Facebook, and you will need to give some personal information, including your PayPal email, to work with them. Once you're accepted, the platform lists all of the available transcription service jobs. This includes interviews, roundtables, and more. The time of the audio and pay rate is listed alongside, so you know exactly what to expect. Your performance is scored after every assignment you complete too. This helps users push up the ranking system that CastingWords created, allowing them to access to higher earning jobs and bonuses. On average, their gigs pay 30 to 90 cents a minute. So here's a list of best transaction jobs for beginners. Don't have transcription training or expertise? The companies in this list are open to hiring beginners. Many of them are larger companies that hire worldwide and offer steady work and plenty of flexibility. A few of them pay weekly or daily via PayPal. The downside is that since the companies in this list don't require experience, some of them are lower paying. Next up is daily transcription. Working with this company gives you the flexibility to work when and where you want. Imagine kicking back at a coffee shop as you earn money transcribing audio. That can be a reality. Assignments are sent to transcribers like you daily, and payments are made weekly. This means that you will have more than enough gigs to complete and won't be waiting around for your money. Rates starts at 75 to 85 cents a minute, which is much higher than some sites. Their platform includes a feedback system, coaching, and other resources to take your skills to the next level as well. They specifically look for stay-at-home mothers, fathers, part-time teachers, students, or experienced writers. Daily transcription also welcomes all skill levels, from novices to experts. You can apply today and go through a skills assessment and transcription test to get accepted. And here's a list of transcription companies that hire worldwide or outside of the US. The following companies offer online transcription jobs worldwide, internationally, or in places other than the United States. Next would be Rev. Rev hires freelancers as transcribers, translators, subtitlers, and more. If you have skills around language, they're a good platform to add to your rotation. They send out payments every week via PayPal, and average monthly earnings are $245. That could be your next car bill or tuition payment. Their highest paying earners also net approximately $1,495 per month. You can begin by signing up today and fill out your information and take a quick grammar and transcription test afterward. You will get a notification within 48 hours of your approval. There are hundreds of jobs to choose from their platform. This keeps things interesting as you will have a variety of audio files to transcribe into written English. There are lectures, podcasts, interviews, and more that users can choose from. Work as much or as little as you want. Swamped with school or work? No problem. Dial back your transcription work and ramp it up back when you have time. You're in control. There are thousands of freelancers just like you that are enjoying making money on revs. What are you waiting for? Here's a list of transcription companies with the best reviews from remote staff. So in this category, I've included companies that generally receive positive feedback from transcriptionists. Scribie. Scribie gives you access to one of the best home-based jobs you can do. They pay from $5 to $25 an hour in USD, and the files you transcribe are typically short and no more than 10 minutes. Users receive a 2-hour turnaround time for each file, so you won't feel stressed or pressured. To make your job easier, Scribie gives transcribers a free automated transcript that speeds up the typing process drastically. There is a $5 monthly bonus you will gain for every 3 hours of transcription you complete. There are no obligations to perform any amount of work, and there are no withdrawal minimums. You work how you like and get paid when it's convenient for you. However, there are some requirements you should fulfill before trying to apply, and this includes being fluent and very good with English, good listening skills, a verified PayPal account to receive payments, computer and reliable internet connection, and of course headphones. And here's a list of transcription jobs with steady work. Many transcription companies only have part-time or sporadic work available. If you want to make transcription your full-time job, maximize your job search time by first applying to companies that are known to offer steady work. You can always tack on additional smaller contracts after you land a couple bigger fish. Next would be GoTranscript. To keep up with growing orders, GoTranscript is looking for transcriptionists like yourself to help transcribe audio files. They pay up to 60 cents a minute, and the average user brings in $150 per month. Their top earners enjoy an impressive $1,125 in monthly income. You can work from home and get paid on a weekly basis when you choose GoTranscript. Their team will give you regular feedback, improving your skills and making you a better transcriber. They also have a responsive customer support team to help you with anything you need. And here's the list of transcription companies that pay weekly or daily. Want your money faster? These transcription companies pay out weekly or daily, most of them via PayPal. Focus Forward. Focus Forward hires freelancers from all around the world and pays at a rate of 40 cents per minute. There are higher paying gigs you can gain access to the longer you work with them. You can begin the application process anytime and download the applicant test. You will need to complete it and then upload it to gain approval. You will know within 48 hours whether you've been accepted or not. And here's a list of most flexible transcription job companies. It means no production minimum or quotas. So while most transcription companies offer at least some degree of flexibility in scheduling, the companies in this list are the best of the best in terms of giving you complete control over your schedule. They let you work as much or as little as you want whenever you want. SpeakWrite. SpeakWrite is always on a search for fast writers to become transcriptionists on their platform. The average user earns $300 or more per month, and their top earners bring in over $3,000 US. That's equivalent to a full-time job in most places around the world. With over 65,000 different clients, there will be no shortage of assignment for you to complete either. Some online transcription jobs for beginners don't have much activity, but you won't have to worry about that with SpeakWrite. Now there are some requirements. First, you must be a legal Canadian or US citizen that is fully fluent in English. Unfortunately, they are not hiring international transcribers, and you must have a typing speed of at least 60 words per minute with 90% accuracy or more. They are looking for typists that are experienced with Microsoft Word because you will need to type, format, and edit content quickly. They are also Varying assignment requirements, such as legal transcriptionists must have worked for 2 years in a legal firm within the last 5 years performing legal transcription. They must also possess a working knowledge of agreements, court hearings, depositions, etc. And Spanish applicants must be fluent in Spanish and able to translate verbatim at the same time in transcribing. General transcription applicants will need 1 year of experience transcribing and word processing in an office environment. So if you meet these standards, you will also need items such as a printer, good sound card, foot pedal to playback audio, and varying software like Adobe Reader. It can seem like a long list, but consider it an investment. If you earn half of what the top earners make, that's still an amazing $1,500 per month. And here are transcription companies that let you use Microsoft Word. This category may seem random, but I included it for those of us who rely on voice recognition software because of repetitive stress injuries or other physical disabilities. As someone who gets hand and wrist pain from even small amounts of typing, you need to echo dictate all your transcripts with Dragon, which works with Microsoft Word. This lets you type pain-free and also boost your productivity. As far as I'm aware, the following companies don't use any weird software platforms. So, summary, fast typers and bilingual individuals can make great money transcribing audio. You will be transcribing things like podcasts, interviews, and legal proceedings if you have the background to do so. Transcriptionists set their own hours, work from home, and get to live a flexible lifestyle. Some of the assignments will only take a few minutes of your time as well. This makes it a very efficient way to make money between class or when you come home from work. So don't wait any longer. Sign up for a few of the online transcription websites on this list to maximize your opportunities and income. And if transcribing is not your cup of tea, then maybe other online jobs are. Watch my video on what type of online jobs that you can do right away. Link is in the description, and now is the time to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.